Here we are again, Octane Junkies Northwest. Typical life in the day of Octane Junkies. We've got Jake's car there. We've just done a wiper delete on. Pain in the arse.
Like 2 years.
Yeah, it's been waiting for 2 years. The bloody nut seized on it. And we've got Matt's gorgeous Subaru. You've probably seen us around a few times at the shows. It's unbelievably stunning, this thing. What have we done today, Matt?
Often swear and get stressed. PCV valve, because it was blowing tons and tons of smoke and locked me in the wrong place. Yeah, dead. And midweek I decided that even though the car's been fully wrapped, what I'm going to do is buy another body part to stick on. Yeah. Fits it, I'm going to wrap it again. So,
does it happen to be this body part, Matt, down here?
it is.
This new front bumper and lip.
Side spats are off.
Spots are off.
So, bit of trimming.
So yeah, so what we've done today, as Matt was saying, is we've done a PCV valve because Matt had a lot of smoke out of his car over the weekend. PCV valve was a £9 part, but typically on Subarus it is buried somewhere in there.
Right to the back of the intake manifold.
Yeah, so
right
it's
down
a
there.
£9 part, like a
yeah, intercooler off, about 10 hoses off for the £9 part, but that's back on now. Matt's just reassembling the car. We have to do a little bit of cuttery bodgery down the bottom to get the bumper to fit on, and now we're just going to seal it on, probably self-tap it, make it look pretty, and then Matt's going to get it all wrapped. So yeah, check back in, Octane Junkies Northwest. Right, I just grabbed the seat in Matt's Subaru while they're messing around, still putting parts on because I need to sit down because I'm old and fat and lazy. Also, just want to give a quick shout out to Sleek Detailing for looking after all our cars, well to Smelly, these guys who provide us with all our air fresheners and make all our cars smell unbelievably lovely. So yeah, just wanted to give a shout out, Octane Junkies Northwest. Turns out I haven't got them sockets anymore. Oh, turns out I am a line basket. Oh, that's it. So that's it. What I do.
I'm old school. I like to you have fucking muscle.
Tiger seal to the nines. Featuring Paul's ass.
Oh, it's been a long day.
Do you have a bumper that struggles to go on? Tiger Seal,
I know.
now available in all good DIY stores.
It's copyright, it's got to be lion stick.
Lion Stick, now available in all good DIY stores.
A few little bits there to keep it in place. Bit of an odd one because it's too long. So you've had to cut all here. And then obviously it was catching on a fog light cover. So you've had to cut there as well just to make it fit. Something didn't pick up on straight away, annoyingly. And yeah, it's not too bad to fit, pretty easy. Okay, it's got the soft tops down the bottom, well, top and bottom. And got a tiger seal for the time being, but I'll be cooking with the wrap. It's nicely set. Plenty of tiger seal, and again, sitting there as well, but sadly started to rip because it's the wrong it's going to be it's on. Pretty easy to do. It took some time, a bit of adjustments, but yeah, not much in the way of an install video. But yeah, definitely a good upgrade. Just thinking about actually drilling a hole in the bumper down there for the cone filter, but then realised it was going to get flooded with water. So yeah, done and dusted. Time to get it wrapped. Just to finish the day, we've picked up on an oil leak on the MX5.
It's not really finishing the day, Matt.
No, it is.
Starting here, love.
So, right to the back. Yeah.
Well, we think it's the oil return for the turbo, but we're not too sure yet. But we're gonna check. So all I'm doing now is I'm just taking the coil pack off. Which is a lot harder than it looks.
He's lying. It's dead easy.
It is dead easy, I'm just really shit at it.
This is the real YouTube. Not everything's easy. Everyone's unbolted it at first and then comes back and goes, oh, it was a 2-minute job. Ignore them. It's a lie.
It's a lie. It's all a lie.
Well, while we're here, have a little look inside. When did you put your ram air filter on?
2 months ago.
Alright,
One that was on was shit. It's too small.
you don't have to bleep half of these words out now.
Oh crap, yeah. Sorry. It was really poor. It was too small. We can edit that bit out, can't we?
We can. Yeah, that's sound.
Fun fact, the ram air filter is actually one side of the ram air filters that were supposed to go on the M5, but never did.
So it's got BMW parts on it now.
BMW parts now, yeah. Oh, come on, you son of a gun.
See, it's so easy when you're filming now just to not swear. It's good. Where's it stuck?
It's just, I just put a screw in that should have went in a cupboard that you put in your kitchen.
Okay.
I used that screw to attach the coil pack because I lost the bolt. Realise now why it was a stupid idea, because you can't get the bloody thing out without a Phillips in a dodgy socket.
So what you're saying is we need to call IKEA.
Yeah, if I ever run out of this part, IKEA's got it stopped. Such a pain to get at though.
Do you want me to have a go?
No man, I'm nearly there.
That's pretty much what we've done today in diagnosis.
Swear and diagnose things.
But the nice thing is, as you can see, basic tools.
Yeah.
Most jobs you can do when you drive. A little bit of knowledge, a little bit of YouTube. Really easy. And you drop your bolt down the bottom of the motor. At least it hit the floor, but no one's thin enough to get underneath there.
No. However, there is a tool for that.
Oh, we got a tool for that.
It's famous last words. Oh, mate, I haven't even got it with me. Oh, crying out loud. No, I did have an extendy tool to get it.
Oh, hang on.
Turns out I don't have that anymore. So what I'll do is I'll do the other side.
Yeah, that works.
So, oh, you're kidding me. Oh, you're kidding me, yeah.
What have you done?
It's the same thing. I thought to put a nut round the other side.
Oh.
Don't do it. Whatever, just drop down here. I don't even know where it is. Oh yeah, I did found it.
See, sorted. While we're at it, this is how you jack your car up.
It's not. This is definitely not how you jack a car up. So anyone who's got a jack car knows never to use the sills because the crap. I completely ignore them every time.
They've been welded, so it's alright, they're super strong.
Been welded, yeah. I'm not a complete cowboy. I do know what I'm sort of doing.
He's not got his cowboy hat on today.
No, not today. I am going to find a bolt and replace this with a bolt. Bloody God.
What size do you need?
I think it's an M10.
Alright, I might have some in the garage, but
I've got one in my bag. I'll come back to that. Famous last words. Will I get the fancy tool in there?
yeah.
See, why can't it always be that easy?
Best thing since sliced bread.
It is, I friggin' love this thing.
So many bolts have you got to undo?
Oh no, I've done it again. But it didn't drop this time. Oh no. Oh, don't do this to me.
Ah.
Oh, shit. Oh, I can see it. It's fine. It's fine. What not to say on a date? It's okay, I've got really small hands, I can get in there. Turns out I can't actually.
Show me to try and get in there.
In where, Matt? You trying to shut me up again?
Oh,
Hang on. Hang on.
we got it. Get it with your stubby, Paul.
Got my small fat end on it. Hang on. I just need something with a magnet. Can I get them?
Yeah, let me try and get my little fingers in there.
Give it a go. You see it? Right down there. In between a crack.
Ah.
Can you see it? Maybe I need to go and get my magnetic thingy.
No, if you can get me a torch though.
Oh, I haven't got one of them.
Right, we'll pause this here and have a look. That's what we dropped. And it was right down there, but we got it.
We did get it in the end.
See?
Goers. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to transfer again. Just get the rest of it out with a good old fashioned pair of pliers.
I'm gonna share a trick. Where's your
Hang on. Here's me what?
attachments?
It's round there. Oh, you're going to put... So, I'll just get it with this, it's alright. Oh, fuck. No needs a few more turns.
Just my tiger seal gloves.
Your what gloves?
Tiger seal. Oh yeah, me lion stick.
I say tiger seal, you get done. There you go.
Got it.
Got it. Right, all I need to do now is take the connectors out. If I can get to them.
Just when James complains about, you know, oh, it's so hard to take photos and what was that? Oh,
No, it's just me.
he's like, oh, it's so hard to take photos and you get your angle right.
Mm-hmm.
It's so easy. I don't know what he complains about.
Hey, we're fixing cars and doing photo shoots
I know.
all at once.
So easy. Keep this up, I'll be getting a cameraman job on Coronation Street.
That's it, mate. Matt Watson, eat your heart out, mate.
It worries me that you know who he is.
I love Matt Watson. He's fucking cool. Everyone on like the VX, not the VXR, fucking hell mate, that's going back years, VXR forums. Everyone on the MX5 forums would be like, what are you doing? You're doing it wrong. I don't care. This is my way of doing it.
Why is there a cable loose on it?
Ah, it's standard, isn't it?
Let's have a go.
No. You know what I'm stubborn I am? I like doing things myself.
Sheer dedication, this.
It is.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
No. I can do it. No. Fuck's sake. It's because I'm Russian. I'm just fucking taking it on.
I thought you were Scouse.
I am Scouse. Scouse and proud. There we go.
That's sorted it.
And over now, scratch me lovely edges.
Get some more paint on it.
Right. So, how do I do this? I just freaking forget how to do these. Fuck's sake. For beep's sake. No, that's not it. It's not really. Oh, fucking hell, look at that one.
Ooh.
It's killing me, engine.
Let's have a look, hang on. Let's have a quick look.